Hi, to customize heart rate zones on the Huawei Band 9, you would need to open this Huawei Health app, which is installed on your phone. After that, on the bottom of the screen, select Me tab, go in its settings, and then choose workout settings, and after that, go in the exercise heart rate settings. So here you can customize your heart zones. There are 3 in total, and you can change them by simply tapping it like that. If you want, you can set your own heart limits as well. So just go in the heart rate limit and here swipe up or down to set the preferred one and confirm by pressing the OK button. And also, if you scroll a bit, go in the advanced settings. Here you'll be able to customize the maximum values and percentages for each zone as you see fit. So just tap it like that and customize it according to your preferences, and then don't forget to confirm the changes by pressing the check mark. And yeah, that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.